just got back from the play, and Bridger they actually did a lot better than the practice last night. Are you girls ready for dinner? Evie, are you hungry?
Whoever feeds them doesn't feed them.
Are you hungry, kitty? You must be hungry, kitty. Kitty, Sola, are you hungry? You hear your food. You want some food? Oh, where's your food?
Is this your food? Hey, do you want your
Make her
food?
do something. She wants her
Come
food. So just give me my stupid food.
Oh, baby. Here.
You ready for your food?
Evie already has food in her bowl.
Tell Ember.
She already has food in her
So I need
bowl.
liquid food in my food. I'm making ornaments. This is part of what I need. But someone over here is a bit curious. Does she see it? Where did it go? Whoa. Sola! Kitty. Okay. She's like, that smells weird. Kitty. Sola, get it? Sola got me. I was playing with her when she was spunky, which wasn't very smart on my part. Oops. Anyway, so I am making ornaments for an ornament gift exchange thing. It's a gift ornament exchange. So you make, like, however many people are coming, that many of the same ornament, and they do the same, and then we just trade. So everybody walks out with different ornaments. So I did it last year, and it was fun. However, this year we don't have a lot of other people coming. I mean, they're coming, but it's turned into this activity for ladies in our church, and that's kind of not what it was meant to be, but whatever. So I am making ornaments. So when they're done, they'll dry, and then I pop the balloons, and then it's just this round ball, and then I'll just put a hook on it. I was thinking like to sprinkle maybe glitter on it too. Like maybe, not a ton, but just like red glitter so that it just has a little bling. But they're supposed to be simple, so I don't want to go too crazy. So basically the theory is that you take, I made a concoction of glue, and I bought everything from the dollar store because I'm cheap. Except for cornstarch that I already had and plastic wrap that I already had. But basically, I got little things of Mod Podge, dollar store glue, and then my cornstarch, and then water. And I mixed it, and I just kind of created this pasty stuff. And the cornstarch is in there to make it stiff, so it'll stiffen up. It'll make it have that form that it needs. And then Mod Podge is gonna keep it from, if it gets wet or whatever, it's not gonna be, it won't melt or whatever. So starch to hold the form, Mod Podge to basically protect it, and then the glue is just kind of give it the sticky agent or whatever that it needs. So anyway, I'm gonna hang these up so they can dry, but the balloons are keeping their form for now. Kind of, that white one's a kind of a mess. But, so I'm doing 15 of them. I'm planning on 15 of them. And whatever ones don't get used will go to friends, is what I'm doing. So, those are gonna be, yeah. And then we'll make, right before Christmas, we'll make fudge and caramel, like we did last year, which was, just takes basically an afternoon. So that's fun, so we'll do that. But if you guys have ever done an ornament exchange, what did you make? Put down in the comments below. Or do you just go buy them? Have you ever done an ornament exchange? Or I know that like people will do it like with freezer meals or whatever. It's the same type of idea. Anyways, it's kind of fun just around the holidays to get together and see other people's craftiness and trade and stuff. So yeah, I'll show you some of the ones that we got last year. This one was one from last year, and then they put like a little river bend because that's our church where we're at. And this one is one, like a candy stick. That was one from last year. So is this one. This is actually, nope, I think EmberLee brought this one home. She made that, I think. The same lady that did ours did that with the young women. This is another one that was done last year. This one was done, so it's got little beadwork and like tiny stitching. So that one's kind of cute, simple and cute. This one is supposed to be laying flat, but it pops up. So it looks like a crown or something, I guess. That was one. And then this is another cute one. That's nice and simple. This one is not one. However, this is one of the ones the kids brought home, which is super cute. Ember made, it looks like. Hey, knock that off. Some people are worth melting for. Yeah, that was a couple years ago, but it was when Frozen was huge. Super cute. Those are not all of them. I can't find all of them. Some of them might not have even made it on the tree, but anyways, so it's just kind of fun to get something or start a tradition or whatever with friends, and this was a fun one to start. All the lighting is behind me, sorry. And so yeah, I've got like 15, what, 12 more to go, and then I'll give away the extra ones. And I got the balloons at Walmart. Everything not Walmart. I got all the balloons and stuff at the dollar store. Like everything I tried to get there so I didn't have to spend. Everything I'm using was under 20 bucks, which is awesome. Or, sorry, probably under $5, $3. But one of the other things that we're gonna be doing, oh, and the twine was at the dollar store too. And I just dumped the twine right in there, so when I pull it out, as you saw, it just unwinds and it's already got the stuff on it. At our activity that we're doing, for people that come that aren't really involved in ornament exchange, they're gonna make an ornament. So basically they're gonna dump glue inside of an ornament, turn the glue around, and then they're gonna choose a color and just basically coat the inside of their ornament with glitter, and then they can write. I bought eyeballs, and then they'll take markers and draw lips or whatever on it, mouth, nose, whatever, and then I got eyeballs so that they can make us whatever, snowman or Santa Claus or whatever they want to do. Anyway, something simple. That's what you get. If you don't want to be part of the ornament exchange, you can do your own simple one and still leave with one. You're not going to leave with 15 because you didn't participate, but it'll be fun. And then people are going to bring treats and stuff, and we'll just hang out and stuff. And oh, and then one of the ladies is so adamant that we sing what do you call them? Christmas songs.
His name is Thomas. That's his mustache and that's his name.
Oh. Okay. Anyway, if you guys have done this or would like to, you should check out Pinterest and, you know, have friends and stuff and get involved, and it's really fun actually. It's actually something that we started last year and we're continuing this year. So anyway.